there. Tevin Clean Step is fresh off winning the Boom Better Than Dance competition, and he shares his love for the art in our FiWi Culture segment.
Wake up, I go on the phone. Say she want my loan, me tell her say go get a loan now. Tougher than a stone, a back a rock, make a loan. Me put the beam in a spot and nearly.
Manners and respect, bro. Welcome to the platform. What go on?
There, man, you know.
All right, that is it. Recent winner at the Boom dancing competition. First things first, how are you feeling as a winner?
You know, feel great, you know, elated, you know.
Mm-hmm. Where you born and grew?
Born and grew St. Catchy in Jamaica, you know, born Spanish Town Hospital.
Mm-hmm.
Grew up in a Portmore, Jamaica, you know.
Mm-hmm. Which side of Portmore? Grits?
No, we grew up in a, what do I say, Waterford.
Waterford side.
City.
Okay, okay.
Step on the step, drop the dress. Think of us in the gallery, I just got to learn to wave in.
What did you see yourself becoming?
Well, you know, I always ventured in music because I was always doing music at school, always playing instruments, always, you know, super involved, you know, so I always see myself as a musician.
Okay. And when did the focus transition from music and production, music production, into dancing?
So I got introduced to dancing when I was like going to church, you know, with a little rebellious friend. He was just dancing outside and dancehall music, so he just was like, yeah, you have talent, because I was doing at church dancing at that time too. So he was like, yeah, come and just dance with us. And then I was fully introduced into the whole dancing fraternity.
As a juvenile, Tevin, who are some of the dancers them where you used to look up to?
All right, so to be honest, a lot of people, let's say Bogle and a lot of these type of dancers, but for me, I got introduced to dancehall from the middle school era. So for me, a lot of middle school dance group like Ghetto Legacy, Over Mars.
The grung, she a wind up she belly. The pan me eat broke shot like Teddy. The pan a beach we a rock and move steady. L shot, I saw the man shot move.
What sets Tevin apart from the average dancer?
You know what? It's because I don't really put myself like, everybody else always have me on this high pedestal and give me the courage and give me like strength and always be like, yeah, you're a good dancer, but I always try to stay in my lane and try to stay to my craft because I cannot dance like nobody else, I cannot be nobody else. So every time I dance, I try to dance as much as myself and not try to impersonate other people or other dance groups as possible, you know? Try to keep it original.
In terms of entertainment, what are some music videos where if we watch them back, we can find Tevin?
All right, so music videos, we are in Royalty, that's Vibes Cartel and XXXTentacion, and we have Ding Dong Crazy.
What are some dance moves or routines where the people them know Tevin for?
All right, so the people them know Clean Step Skankers for a dance called Wall One. So basically, that's a move where you hold somebody and slap them in the face. Yeah, it's kind of an aggressive type of move. Also, we have move right now in the street called Sprinkle.
Okay.
So this is a move that you sprinkle like seasoning and stuff like that. And also wheel or in. So that's like a move. You do fishing. So we always incorporate everyday living, everyday lifestyle into dance moves.
Make me know why you with this. Have mercy. Oh mama, we'll work it out.
Alright, my side, that's how we close the curtains on this week's episode of Pree Dis Show. Until next time, I'm your host Naldo Addy signing out of Halfway Tree. Big up on yourself and stay safe, yeah?